Hello and welcome to Allot on Air. During the next 10 minutes or so, we'll be meeting with industry experts to discuss the hottest trends in telecom, cybersecurity, and network intelligence.
Hello, this is Michael Schachter, Product Marketing Director at Allot, and I'm here today with Yoav, Shilo, and Allot Senior Product Manager who, among his many hats, manages our 5G-powered DPI solutions. Yoav, thank you for joining me, and let me get right down to some questions. And the first question is, and I think people are wondering this, is 5G really here?
Thank you, Michael, for having me. The migration to 5G is a long journey which will take many years. The first step in this journey is the 5G non-standalone, high-speed 5G radio connected to the existing 4G core, which does not support the key 5G use cases such as slicing, massive IoT, etc. And this is what we really see today deployed by most of the CSPs. There are many 5G non-standalone networks, but less than 20 real 5G standalone networks.
So, if I understand you, what you're saying is that 5G today is mostly non-standalone, or NSA at this point, but that it already means a lot more demand for traffic that will travel across the old 4G core. So, if we're still looking at mostly NSA, then it sounds like DPI would still be critical for these early 5G networks.
Yes, definitely. DPI is even more critical to these networks due to the higher complexity and higher traffic speeds in the network. CSPs need better visibility, better traffic management, better congestion management at this stage, and DPI provides the best solution to all those use cases because it gives the most granular visibility and control.
Okay, so what you're saying is DPI still has a big role in NSA networks. But when we finally get to SA, standalone 5G, with all of its hyped capacity and its slicing and guaranteed quality and exciting new use cases, well, will DPI still have a role there?
Yes, granular traffic management and granular visibility is still critical for QoE assurance. New use cases such as online gaming and AR application for consumers or industrial IoT for manufacturing will require SLA insurance, and DPI can ensure that. Like every other technology jump, demand will catch up with capacity, and then to meet customer expectation for ISLA, traffic management, and selective prioritization of performance-sensitive applications will be ever more critical.
Okay, so if I could summarize what you're saying, 5G is already here, but it's not standalone. It's not pure 5G yet. And it's going to get more prevalent, and then standalone will eventually be dominant. But there will always be a role for DPI for CSPs who want to optimize their subscriber QoE. Because even in standalone 5G, they will need the visibility and the control to prioritize certain traffic over other traffic to make sure that customer SLA is met. Thank you, Yoav, and thank you all for listening to another Allot podcast. See you next time.
That's it for today's episode. Thanks for listening. You can get more information about network intelligence and security solutions for service providers and enterprises on our website at allot.com. Subscribe to this podcast to make sure you hear about new trends and technologies on the next episode of Allot on Air.